Hello, good morning, friends. So, in this session, in our 100 top Java tutorial of 100 programming code with solution session, we again start our session in the upcoming video of video number 12. So, in this video, we are discuss about nested if else clause in Java. So before this, we also tell about and also learn about how to apply if else clause in Java with proper solution. If you not see that, please follow my previous video. If you want to see nested if else clause, then please continue our video to watch this program with proper solution. So from this, we start our nested if clause. So here firstly we import scanner function. So here we make one thing. You import one scanner function. You already know that what is the use of scanner function. With the help of scanner function, you take the input from the users. But here some network issue, we can't see the proper output. That's why we use scanner function. But we comment it and we take directly input by the system. If you want to show you how input take by user, then comment it. I make separate video for that. But from now for now we continue that. So you can make any class name. You make one class with any name. So we take name is nested if else. After that we make one main main class from where our code is to be started, means public static void main string arguments. After that we take three variable. Two variable are the form of integer, means marks obtained and passing marks. There is two variable, and third variable is character, which are in the form of grade, means student is passed from this criteria, then it should get this grade. If they failed, then what is the grade of failed? Which all our condition is to be set of particular condition. So there are many conditions. So we use here nested if else. After that, here you see that we set the passing marks 40 because we already discussed about it, because due to network issue we set it passing marks is to be 40. Otherwise you take passing marks by, means passing marks is to be set, but marks obtained is to be get by the user. But here we also set the obtained marks. Here we make one scanner input function for taking input from the user, what the numbers she or he obtained in the exam, and then directly print the output in the form of questioning. Input marks is scored by you, please enter the marks. After that you see that here we set the marks obtained 45 directly. You can take anything with on the depending condition. Like see that in the above, here we apply one condition, means from here our if else clause started. Nested means if inside else, else inside if, means more than if one, more than one if and else condition. Means here if marks is greater than passing marks, means marks which are in they getted is greater than passing mark, means it's absolutely pass. So after that we again apply one condition inside if, means nested if marks obtained greater than 90 marks, so it should be got grade A. You know that why we take character form of grade, because grade is store A, B, C grade, means in the form of character. After that, if he not get or she not get marks greater than 90, so it get marks greater than, if he got marks greater than 75, so it should be got grade B. After that, again, if he should not follow the both criteria, means if he follow the criteria is greater than 60, so he got the grade C. Means you see that if else if else if, means nested if else. This is our code, main aim of the code and program. After that, we in last, if he or she not get any grade A, B, C means not fulfill the any criteria, means he got the grade D. What is the condition of grade D? Means you pass the exam and your grade is grade. Means here we take one thing, grade. Grade depend means grade print the A, B, C, D what you got. After that, we close the loop, and in else if you not get D means you are already failed. So what is the failed grade? Means F. Means we also show the comment for that, we show the one headline for that, you failed and your grade is F. After that, we close the all thing, and we run our code. So by running our code, we directly right click and we click on the run Java, and you see that with the help of terminal, we select new terminal. You see the here output. 1 minute guys, I will show you output. See, I set the marks here. You said that I will zoom for you 1 second. Like you see that I here said that marks obtained is equal to 45. So with the help of this criteria, you see that here in your pass the exam, your grade is D, because our criteria is to be follow here is not greater than 60, means if less than 60 it follow the grade criteria D. So here I get grade D. If you change the marks here, like we change it 90, you see that here we put the condition marks obtained is 90. So what is the output? We directly right click and Java. Then here you see the you pass the exam and your grade is B. Okay, because marks is not greater than 90, means equal to 90. So equal to 90 is follow on the 75, greater than equal to 90. So it follow the grade, give the grade B. So if you are interesting or is it is easy for you to programming in VS Code, so we follow our upcoming session in VS Code. Otherwise, we follow the online platform of programming to show the output in the console. Please comment for your better interesting, and please like and subscribe for such making interesting tips and tricks for your programming code and solution. Thank you.